In today's video, I'm going to teach you my Trello workflow for client approvals, from setup to sign-off. Whether you're starting fresh or refining what you already have, this walkthrough will help you build a clear, reliable path from first task to final approval. We'll begin by shaping your board so the project's lifecycle is obvious at a glance. Create lists that mirror your actual workflow and keep the names simple and consistent. Start with To Do and In Progress. To Do holds everything that's been captured and prioritized, but hasn't started. When work begins, drag the card to In Progress, so everyone knows it's actively being handled. Next, add a Ready for Review or Client Approval list. This is where work lands when you believe it's ready for eyes on it. Before you move a card here, make sure the description is clear and the relevant files, links, or mock-ups are attached, so reviewers have everything they need. If feedback comes in, move the card to Changes Requested. That list becomes your cue for revisions, so nothing gets lost. Once the client is happy, move the card to Approved or Completed. This final list is your record of what's finished and signed off. With your structure set, choose the approval method that matches how you and your clients communicate. If your reviewers already use Trello, enable the card approvals power-up on your board. Then open any card in your Ready for Review list. Click the Approvals button, select the people who need to sign off, and set the minimum number of approvers required. This keeps approval status visible on the card, reduces back and forth, and makes it clear when the threshold has been met. If your clients don't use Trello, go with the Advanced Approvals by Hipparello PowerUp. This lets you notify clients via email and direct them to a simple web portal. From there, they can view the card's details and attachments and choose Approve or Decline without creating a Trello account. It's a smooth experience for non-technical stakeholders and keeps everything tracked back on the card. As feedback comes in, move the card to Changes Requested, make your updates, and then return it to Ready for Review. When the approval requirement is satisfied, shift it to Approved or Completed, and you're done. If you found value in today's video, hitting like is a small gesture that helps others discover this content. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Tell me what worked for you, or share ideas on how we can level up our production. We read every single note, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.